Okay.
All right.
I sign out the world. Oh.
No, I'm doing a video. I'm doing a video.
You are?
Yeah.
And I'm not? I'm not doing a video?
You can do a video, but I'm doing this video, and then you can do a video.
Okay. I want to watch you how you do it. And then part, I'm going to say, good job, Daddy. Good job. Yeah, best thing.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, so this is T and Tell, the YouTuber's dad, right? And William wanted to do some YouTube videos, some Minecraft videos, and he wanted me to show him how. And so I will. I am. But we're going to do it by doing something useful. So I figured out an easy way, a safe way to kill lava, right? I really hate lava in my worlds. And so I'm on creative, but you can do this not in creative. But I just have glass blocks. And what I do is I just fill the area with the glass block. And, you could use this with dirt if you want. It's probably cheaper. But the thing about using glass blocks is you kill the first level. You can look down and you can see the other levels. And you can see where it's coming from. So, let me fill this in and I'll show you why I use glass blocks. Alright.
Okay.
So, I see there's some underneath here and I want to smack it out. So, look, I pop that down.
Oh.
And I can, look at there.
Whoa.
See? And then I can come here. Ooh, I fell in there. I fell in the lava.
Oh, I take that. Hey, Daddy.
What?
Why do you always call me a Minecraft noob?
Because you are a noob.
I told that so the people would make fun of you.
There's another lava underneath that one.
I told that in the video so the people would make fun of you that I'm actually not a Minecraft video. Dummy.
Oh, you're not a noob?
I'm not.
William, you're 6. You're a noob to the world. See?
Okay, do you think I'm
By seeing the using glass, I have an idea where the lava's coming from. If you use dirt
Ugly, do you know why
and you miss a spot, it'll come and you're like, where's it coming from?
Ugly, do you know why I'm a Minecraft noob?
But by doing it this way,
No. Look at your tree.
I can always tell what's going on.
Okay, I get it. Ooh, look,
Does that
Daddy.
make sense, William?
Good job, Daddy. You found some redstone-y.
Yeah, I don't care about redstone. Because I play on creative. I like building.
Building's dumb. You have to care about surviving.
Yeah. Noob.
Why did Daddy cut his ear off at the surgery?
Alright. Look, there's diamonds.
Oh, I'm going to mine them in real life. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay, so anyway, here you go. Now that I've showed William how to make a YouTube video on the Minecrafts, and I've showed you how to use glass blocks
there's
to
something
kill
wrong.
lava.
I wanted to see my face. That kind of video.
Okay. Oh, okay. We'll do that in a second.
Oh, right. You're
All
the best.
So, see you later.
See you later, people. Bye. That was awesome. Awesome. Ooh. I want to, see my face. That's how